If you've tried a million things online and you're still struggling and wondering, why can I not get this to work for me? You are not alone. I'm going to share with you what finally turned things around for me after years of struggling, trial and error, and more money down the drain than I care to admit. What you're about to hear took me about 5 years and a heck of a lot of frustration to figure out, but you can skip all that and just copy what I've done. I'm Wendy, a 56-year-old grandma that was on that struggle bus, trying to figure out how to create an income online because I saw so many people doing it. I wore the badge of side hustle queen. Literally, you just ask my friends and my family. Proudly doing high ticket this, Amazon influencer, print on demand, network marketing, and yes, even the home party thing, lugging my wares from house to house. If you know, you know. Some of it worked a little. I did make money and ate a lot of yummy food doing the home parties, but that wasn't giving me the time freedom and the money that I was looking for to replace my 9-to-5. It was honestly like sucking more of my energy out because I was working full time and then doing the home party thing at night or trying all these side hustle things. And I just couldn't seem to get momentum. I felt like one of those little hamsters on the wheel, running around and never going anywhere. It wasn't getting me closer to the financial freedom I was chasing. Then in February of 2024, I learned a digital marketing strategy that literally changed everything for me. Like I went from 3 digits a month from all of these other different side hustles to 6 digits a month, like crazy. Like just last week alone, I brought in $4,500 in 1 week. That's more than I made at my 9-to-5 in almost 2 months. And I did it in 1 week. If you're in the thick of it, you know, that struggle bus, stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly what I've been doing for the last 15 months and what actually started to work. You can't make real money online selling stuff that nobody is looking for. One of the biggest lessons that I've learned is you actually have to sell something that people want. Go figure. Not some random ebook or some outdated training, something that's in high demand. If I was out there trying to sell a cassette recorder, nobody, unless it was some antique dealer, would want to purchase that. It is so out of date. Now, there's some things that I sold when I was doing affiliate marketing or Amazon that people wanted, but the price or the amount of money that I received was literally like pocket change. It wasn't going to allow me to change my job or anything like that. But once I started learning digital marketing and understood that learning this skill set was what was in demand, like this is what Forbes says right here, that learning digital marketing is the in-demand skill set that people want to learn because it is going up. So if you can learn an in-demand skill set and then you're able to use something called master resell rights. This is what that means right here. That means that you can resell a program, an educational program that you are learning from, make 100% profit. That is exactly what I have been doing since February of 2024. Since then, in the beginning, I was able to learn and earn from this program. As I'm learning from the program, it has taught me to open up multiple different income streams. Okay, so there are so many different ways that you can make money online that I learned from this program. And you can share the program or not. You can tap in the master resale rights or not. But I chose to because so many people were asking me, what are you doing to make this money online? I'm like, yeah, I took a program. If you want to look at the program, then go right here and look and just see for yourself. It might be something that you want to take as well and learn these skill sets because it's radically changing my life. If you want to see how all this blueprint works, literally I have a PDF for you. It's called my Freedom Formula Blueprint. And then you can take a peek for yourself and just see what this looks like. What am I doing every day that is getting me these results? So there's really no need to create your own product, program, ebook, workshop, whatever to get started. You can do that, and those are legitimate ways to start earning online, but honestly, that's very hard as a beginner because there is a big learning curve, right? You need to learn digital marketing, how to promote those things, how to actually get traction. But if you want the absolute easiest way that I found to start getting traction is to take the same course and program you're learning from and share it with others. And you get to make 100% profit for doing that. And then you're learning from that program to open up additional income streams, to create your own digital product, your own program, your own workshop, whatever you want. And then you also have the skill set on how to market that. So it's like a complete knowledge base that you need to learn for operating and making money in the online space. Plain and simple as that. So ask yourself, if you're trying to sell a cassette tape in a Spotify world, that could be one of the reasons that you're not getting traction and you're not making money. What you're selling is not in high demand. So you need to partner with something that people are wanting. Okay, so stick with me. I'm going to share with you how I've been using social media for free to start making sales without any tech experience. And if you want a downloadable PDF of the Freedom Formula Blueprint that I've been following, just put blueprint below, or else you can just find the link in my description. So you absolutely do not need a massive following on social media in order to get traction. Like, I literally started with zero followers on TikTok, 0 followers on Instagram, and 0 on YouTube. You don't need a massive following, you just need the right following. So in the beginning, in February of 2024, I actually started with TikTok. I don't know why. I thought it used to be a dancing platform for young kids. Little did I know that the highest growing demographic is my age group. So starting on TikTok was a great thing to do. I've been having fun plugging into doing short form video like this, and literally short form video like this, and making sales from absolutely free content. Now, over the last 6 months or so, I've been starting to grow my YouTube channel. So now I'm making money from YouTube, but I'm also growing my audience, I'm growing my email list, and I'm making sales off of this YouTube platform. So really, you pick and choose what social media platform you want to tap into and what works for you. I always recommend focusing on one platform at a time, really getting well at that platform, and then you can expand as you go. Like, one of my TikTok videos brought me in $900 US, and I'm a Canadian, so it's like a bazillion, just from doing a 7-second TikTok video. But you have to learn how to train the algorithm, how to post content that connects with the person you're talking to. So I don't care if you're trying to sell shampoo, weight loss products, or digital programs or products, you need to connect with somebody who is interested in what you are offering, or you won't make any sales. Simple as that. You do not need to go viral at all. It's actually better if you don't. It's best to connect with the right person at the right time. So I started creating short videos that told my story. Simple as that. 60 seconds, 30 seconds, and even 7-second videos that bring me in $900 US sales from one video. Can you even comprehend that? People want real, relatable stories and solutions that work. Comment below which platforms are you currently using that you feel most comfortable with. And you know what, guys? I reply to every single one of my comments. So put it below and I'll reply back to you. Okay, I'm going to share with you how giving away something for free actually can help you build a 6-figure income. If you want consistent sales, you need to build your email list. Email equals income. I've learned to give away my free resource called the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It helps to give the viewer information about what I'm doing, and it helps to build my email list. Now, people can unsubscribe from my email list at any time, but that way people can ask me questions. I can give the information that they want. They can watch a few extra informational videos, and it gives them what they need when they need it. And they're not waiting for me to reply back to an email. It then is generated automatically, which is the real sweet spot. So each time somebody downloads it, like if you are downloading my Freedom Formula Blueprint, I collect an email. And that email is entered into my automated system. Now, this is when it gets really good. This automated system does all the follow-up for me. It shares helpful information, it answers questions, and it introduces the offer so people can make a decision. I call it my freedom machine because it literally gives me my freedom back. It's working for me while I'm off playing with my grandkids, having a fun drive with my husband, or just sometimes sleeping. And the crazy part is I didn't even need any fancy tools. It's all part of the program and it's absolutely free. There's no monthly cost to have it. Like, free. You heard me right. Not a free subscription. It's a completely free system for up to 2,000 email subscribers. That's a lot of subscribers. I actually made over 6 figures before I even had to pay a monthly service fee for my email provider, which ended up being about $27 a month, which is nothing when you're making 6 figures. So serving people with something valuable first is what really helps you build a real income. When people can trust you, then they can buy from you. So if you want to see how that works, you'll want to grab the Freedom Formula Blueprint. You'll get into my automations and you'll see how this complete system works with our free business system called system.io. You can see that in the description below too if you want to create your free account. So the secret to freedom is automation. So once I learned how to automate the email follow-ups and the sales process, I finally stopped feeling like I was glued to my friggin' phone. This one system now does 90% of the work for me. Someone enters their email address, the system educates them on everything they want to learn, it answers their questions, invites them to a free class if they want to learn how the whole business structure works, and then it makes sales. I was literally getting ready for bed last night, 11:30 p.m. I know it was a little late, but I was up doing some stuff. My husband had his 61st birthday, and I had a $900 US sale come in automatically. It wasn't working my business. I was having a fun birthday celebration with my husband and my family. That's the power of automation. And the best part is it's not just me. It's a community-tested system with literally thousands of people plugging in and getting similar results. So you can see how once you set this up, it runs in the background 24/7. It's not magic, it's a system that works. So what if your side hustle can actually give you your life back? I honestly didn't do this just for the money. The money's great, but what the money does is it gives me the ability to have my time back, to be in control of how I spend my time and how I make my money. And honestly, how much money I can make. I did it so I can enjoy slow mornings with a cup of tea and no alarm clock. I did it so that I can make memories with my grandchildren and be a present grandma. This business really gave me options. That's really what having financial freedom does. It gives you options. We're not living lavishly. We're investing in our future so that we have a retirement and we're enjoying the present. This digital strategy doesn't just pay the bills, it gives me actual control over my life. This is about so much more than income, it's about freedom. The kind that you didn't think you could really have after 50, at least I did. So now that you know what actually worked for me after 5 long years trying to make money online, I hope you feel inspired because I'm here to tell you it's not too late and you're not too old. Your next step is to grab that Freedom Formula Blueprint I was talking about. If you want to know more information, you can watch a free class that we've put together. It really explains this educational platform so you can understand master resale rights and how it all works. So you can find that in the description below, and it really walks you through step by step. Because I believe knowledge is power. It gives you the information to make the best decision for you. And that's exactly what I did. I looked at it and realized that this was what I was looking for. So if you want to see how I use this exact blueprint strategy to make over $670,000 in 14 months, then you're going to want to check out this video here. And when you partner that with what I just shared with you in this video, you're going to be like, bing, I understand now. I'll see you in the next video, my friend.